Hi friends, in this video is going to show how to open TroubleShoot Mode on your Windows PC. This is another method. Just go to your Windows settings, click on the search bar and search for settings. So click the settings tab. So you can see all the options. So here you need to click on this update and security. So once you click on this, right, you can see this left side, the recovery options. Click on this recovery options. So you can reset this PC as well, or you can start up from a device disk such as USB drive or DVD drive. So here I'm going to choose this restart now. So you can see the troubleshoot option. So advanced options. See, there is a lot of options you can see here. So in this way you can choose the options whichever you want. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my Thank you. Bye.